guys. It's Kai and Chloe here. That's my little sister. She's so annoying. So I'm going to teach her how to beatbox today. So let's get started. I'm going to start off with the basic one. So when I do one, she's going to try copy, but I'm going to start off basic. Okay. So like this, are you ready? You do a beatbox. One, anyone. Yeah, joking. Yo, I can't beatbox though. I'm the best. Listen, I got one coming. Are you ready? Wow. Ready? Boom, 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 boom. I'm so weird. Yeah, shall I do alien frog? So, we're going to do silly sounds and beatboxing, so make your funny sound. Okay. So, this is mine, you ready? I'm back. Inky dolphin. Yoga. YOLO. Hello. So like this. So basically you're intoxicating your brain. Is that gonna work? Yes. So if you went to school more, which you do, but I don't like school, so boring. All I have to do is true. All I have to do is right. That's all you do. In our school, you just learn everything that you've already learned. Like I know. I'm in year 5 now, and I shouldn't be learning year 2 math. She's asking me bloody what's 2 times 2? Or like, 4. You mean 4 times 4? Cause it's got a square on the top. So 2 times 2 squared. Duh. Yeah, my teacher's like the worst. She's got her for a day, but like, yeah, she calls me Amen. So she calls me a fool. Yep. In class, and then she's quite weird. She calls people furry black horses. Don't know why.
I've got pen all over my hands.
Yeah, me too. Look at that bruise there. Oh my god, it's massive and blue. It's like I just coloured my hand in with pen marker. So we're gonna get on with more sounds. So go on, Cole. Right, beatbox. You might recognise this. Yeah, go. So, guys, if anybody knows how to edit it, the videos, just comment down below, cause my sister, she's begging me to edit some videos. So, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Comment down below. We're gonna hit 2,000 likes, and maybe we're gonna hit about 700 subscribers.
Yeah, and I hope we get to.
Yeah, so
we might be doing some challenges.
That was the end. Yeah, so we might be doing daily vlogs, but
And we might be doing.
Yeah, we don't know. We might be doing a bit of freestyling, but that's going to be on just my account.
Yes.
So, bye guys.
Mwah.